Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you what you can find in the help center in the TripIt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the Help Center button. And as you can see, there are several options that you can choose from. So if you click on the Help Topics button at the top of the page, then you will get some like general topics that you can click on. And you can find further questions and further topics. So for example, if you're interested in travel stats, then just click on that, and then you will be able to see like a very detailed description on this topic. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.